Hello, I'm Olivia Porter, and I'll be singing Avalanche from Tales from the Bad Years. Remember the setting. Take in the view from above. Mountainous, infinite, mile after mile of the danger you love. It's colder than winter, the vertigo starting to lift. Don't try to touch, don't warm me too much. You're causing a tectonic shift. Because I'm falling. I'm out of control and it feels like falling nowhere. The sign ahead says beware. Here comes an avalanche, gaining speed and ice and snow. Beware an avalanche. I don't know how to let go. I don't know how to let go. Oh, no. Don't act like it's simple. Don't say it's nothing at all. Balancing, teetering, pitched to the brink till you start to snowball. Just skimming the surface while I dig a little too deep. I see the cracks. I weigh all the facts. I try to pull myself out, but it's steep and I'm falling. I'm out of control and it feels like falling nowhere. The sign ahead says beware. Here comes an avalanche. Run for cover and hide, or you'll never survive me. I am an avalanche. You'll never get out alive. I don't know how you'll survive, 'cause I'm a destroyer. I am a huntress. I'm the only one, the lonely one. I am the heartbroken. I am the unspoken. I have nothing inside left to give. I just have an avalanche. Only this avalanche. And love. 'Cause I'm in love. In love with you. In love, 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 love. Here comes an avalanche, gaining speed and ice and snow. An avalanche. Teach me, I want to let go. Catch me, I'm letting go. Oh, so let it snow. We're in the avalanche. It's all an avalanche. We all